Welcome to 32 Woodpecker Ridge Road in Excelsior, Minnesota. Starting here on the main level where you would walk in, your guests would walk in from outside. Beautiful snow-filled yard. Tons of extra parking right there on the back side of the boat. This is your driveway. The road down there is going to take you to the lake. A dock could be available with this unit at an extra charge. So you're walking in on the luxury laminate flooring. This is where you come in from the garage. You've got a workbench here, and then washer and dryer are in the back over here, but the light bulb's out. So tons of storage. You could put a folding table in there, more shelving. Bedroom on this level has the wood paneling throughout, nice big window, closet. Got a half bath here, so you don't have to go find a bathroom in the middle of the night, and you can also get ready. Easily could put an extra shelf over here for your makeup, toiletries. So newer carpeting throughout. Living room here with a wood-burning fireplace. Huge backyard. Boy, it goes past that small tree behind this tall tree. 2 sliding glass doors. Now this bar is going to be taken out as well as the picture. This is your AC unit, good size. You've got a separate dining area here. Again, tons of light in the dining area here because of this second sliding glass door. This table certainly could be left behind. It almost exactly matches the floor. Ceramic stovetop, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, really nice stainless steel sink and faucet with sprayer, tons of cabinets. All right, let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms here. This is the one on the right. It does have a closet. And then it also has a ceiling fan. Good size window. Beautiful vanity here in the full-size bathroom. Mirror. Elongated toilet here. It looks like a brand new insert. In really nice shape. Curved shower bar, tile floor, linen closet in the hallway, and then this is the 3rd bedroom with 2 windows, newer windows. You can tell they're vinyl. Closet in here as well. Again, the carpeting is in great condition. Yeah, so this is 32 Woodpecker Ridge Road in Excelsior. Call me to schedule a showing. It's available immediately.